Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. My day has been a little bit hectic, but I just got home and I got this month's August Allure Box in my mailbox. I already removed the packaging just to make it easier to share with you, so I don't know what's in the box, but I figured we would open this together. And the reason I like doing these videos is because when I was subscribing to different subscription boxes, I really didn't know what I was getting myself into. I didn't know what to expect, so I think this is a little bit helpful for people who are interested to see what actually comes in the box. And my past experiences with the Allure Box, I've only been doing this is the third month, and the past two boxes I've received were great. The first one was awesome. It was a Kat Von D box. I didn't do a review on that one, but it was an amazing box. I had zero complaints on it. It was awesome. Last month's box was also really good, so let's see what's in the August box. Okay, so here's the box. So we get the Allure pamphlet inside, which tells you, it's like a product explanation. So we're gonna go ahead and skip that so we can just open the box together. This is a Beretta $30 gift certificate towards Beretta watches, I believe. I haven't really looked into their watches, but I'm interested in finding out what they have available. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so the first item we have is the Nexus Carafix Protein Fusion with Keratin Protein and Black Rice Conditioner. I can be honest with you, I haven't used Nexus for years, so I have no idea what it's like anymore. I don't even know if it's good. I don't even know what it smells like. Okay, it smells pretty clean. It has a little bit of hint of a powdery smell, but I honestly can't remember if their products were like amazing or what. I don't know. I haven't tried it in a long time, but this is going to come in handy because I'm traveling this weekend. Okay, and this is the shampoo. So we got the pair of those. Okay, let's see. What else is in the box? Okay, this is the Caudalie Moisturizing Sorbet. And let me just tell you, I love Caudalie products. I've been using Caudalie for many years, off and on, and I have really nothing bad to say about Caudalie. The only thing is I have tried this product before and it is geared towards sensitive skin, so it just really didn't do much for me. I don't know, I didn't see a difference in my skin with this product. Not to say it wouldn't do amazing things for you or you wouldn't see amazing results or it wouldn't work for your skin, but just for me, I'm not a fan of it. But I'm not going to complain because I can definitely give this or just use it for travel. So let's see what's the next product. Okay, what is this? This is an Ico London Skinny Liquid Black Eyeliner. And this kind of reminds me, it looks like the Kat Von D. Yes, it's a pen eyeliner. Wow, okay. At first, I did press them a little bit hard, but it comes out really black. Let's give it a second to dry and do a quick smudge test. It's still a little bit wet, so I'm going to give it a second and then we'll do a smudge test. The next product we have, it's a Lineage, and I know I'm probably butchering this product's name, but I have used their products before. I've used their water sleeping mask and a moisturizer, and they were great products also. This is a lip sleeping mask. Ooh, I'm excited about this. As I mentioned before, I absolutely love my lips to be moisturized. I cannot stand like going to sleep without chapstick at night, so I'm really curious what this looks like. It doesn't really have much of a scent, and it's in a solid form. So to me, I'm wondering if this is more like a lip balm and they call it a sleeping mask. I'm not too sure what it's going to do, but I will definitely let you guys know in a future video. So I'm really excited about this. And we have one more product, and this is the Laritzy Cosmetics Light Sticks Illuminator. This kind of reminds me of the NARS packaging a little bit. The color is Halo. Let's open that up and see what that's like. Okay, kind of does look like the NARS Multiple a little bit. And the color is a little bit of an opalescent gold. It's pulling more gold than pinkish, so let's try this out. And I am more olive golden undertones. So yes, on me it is definitely pulling on the gold side. I think if you're a little bit more fair skin, it might pull a little bit more neutrally. But let's give this Ico, okay. Once it's set, it's really not smearing. And that's all I got from it. It's not really smudging on my hand. That's everything that's inside of the box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below if there are any other subscription boxes that you would like me to try out and review. Like and subscribe below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.